Are you like me who loves a telephoto lens but sometimes dread lugging around a giant camera all the time? Did you know now there are actually quality products that can extend the focal length of your phone camera without losing much quality? Today we're putting one of those products, the Sandmarc Telephoto lens, to the test. This telephoto lens is 6 times optical magnification. This little powerhouse promises to extend your iPhone's focal length by 144mm. How good is it, and can it actually replace my bulky telephoto lens? Let's find out. So in order to use this lens, you do also need to purchase the Sandmarc phone case. Reason being that there's this specific mount you need in order to mount this lens to the phone. When I first opened the box, I was very impressed by the build quality. It's surprisingly heavy for a phone lens. Thanks to the premium multi-coated glass, it even has an adjustable focus wheel for more creative control. It comes with this really nice carrying pouch so you can bring it with you everywhere. Attaching the lens to your iPhone is very easy. You literally just twist until it locks. The mount is compatible with Sandmarc's other lens, and you can also add a filter to the lens too. My first test for the Sandmarc Telephoto lens was at McWave Falls in Big Sur. It is super powerful, maybe a little too powerful for this scenario. It brought the falls super close, but in this case, a wider perspective might have been better. This lens is just like a prime telephoto lens. You will not be able to adjust to different focal lengths, except you can switch between the phone's native cameras. Even though the subject wasn't ideal for this lens, it was still really helpful getting used to the lens and trying to learn how to use it. This lens is ideal for situations where you need to reach far away subjects, so I tried it again at the Seal Beach Overlook on Highway 1. It felt like I was using a monocular. This lens has a natural bokeh effect, which is great for portraits, but keep in mind there is a 16 feet minimum focus distance, which makes it more challenging to dial in your focus. The adjustable focus wheel is really helpful, definitely needs some getting used to. What I did was I would tap the phone to lock focus and then try to use the focus wheel for more fine-tuning. If you want to shoot videos, I highly recommend using a tripod due to the zoom's impact on stability. This applies to regular telephoto camera lens as well. When you're at such a long focal length, it's just much harder to stabilize. And in this case, this lens won't have an internal stabilization. I brought this lens with me on a hike where supposedly we could see these exotic animals, and I only brought a flimsy tripod with me, and that did not end well. I came home with some crazy shaky footage. So I would say it definitely needs a sturdy tripod for smooth videos. So I took it with me on several trips, and I think with practice, I was finally able to unlock the lens's full potential. Here are some photos and videos from Lake Tahoe. It has a learning curve, and there are definitely ideal situations for the lens, but the results can be sharp. Keep in mind that moving subjects will definitely be hard to capture.
This is 3 times zoom on the Sandmarc.
This lens is supposed to be great for urban content and low-light close-ups, but I haven't had the opportunities to shoot in those scenarios to really share my thoughts on it. Overall, I'm impressed by the capabilities of the Sandmarc Telephoto lens. It's straightforward to get started, and the size makes it incredibly portable compared to a regular telephoto camera lens. Now you can capture moments you might miss without a dedicated camera. I will say, if you are just trying to shoot photos with this lens, it will be a breeze. But if if you do want to shoot videos, it will take some practice. Personally, I find using a tripod to be necessary if you're trying to shoot videos. If the subject you're trying to shoot is still and you're on a tripod, keeping your focus will be a piece of cake. But if your subject is moving and you're trying to track it, it will be much more challenging because it's like you're using a camera telephoto lens without autofocus. I'll also recommend using this kind of phone mount where you can easily rotate it to landscape or portrait. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you're interested in this lens and want to learn more about it, I've included information in the description below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!